Do you want some more?
No.
More what? What would you like?
More chicken.
Okay, Mommy will get you some more chicken. Here's some more chicken. There you go. Daddy's yummy barbecue chicken. She ate an entire corn on the cob. And she's working her way to like half a piece of chicken. More chicken? Do you want more? Yeah? Wow, you are very hungry.
More chicken.
Okay. Don't forget to chew what's in your mouth.
Samantha, that's a lot of chicken.
That's a lot of chicken. Can you chew what you've got, please?
More chicken.
More chicken.
Are you sure?
Can you chew what you've got there? Yeah, you've got some pieces right there.
That's a lot of chicken. Are you done?
Your little belly should stay full tonight. We'll see if you sleep better.
All done? You're still holding on to your corn.
She keeps asking for more, but we ran out. We only got 3 pieces. And she ate a whole one. I know.
You get every last little nibble out of that. That's it. It's all gone.
I'm sorry, baby.
I come and this.
Want this?
This.
This? Oh, no, that's very sharp, honey. Dangerous. Danger, honey. I'm sorry.
There you go. Eat your corn. Are you all done with chicken? I guess you're done with the corn. No more chicken. All right.
More chicken.
Okay. We'll get you more.
Chicken.
More chicken. All right, there's more chicken.
Okay.
More chicken.
You have chicken on your plate.
More chicken.
I know.
Chicken.
She has a mouthful.
In your,
Chicken.
you have a whole mouthful of chicken.
More chicken.
Okay, Mommy will cut you more, but eat this first. You eat this first, okay? Oh my gosh. You're so funny, Daddy. Yes. Daddy. Can you say bye to everybody?
Bye. We'll go get more chicken.
Bye.